Good morning, Keiser University faculty, admin, and students. I am Manny, Mair with One-to-One Fitness, Soldier Rush, and Fitness on a Mission. Get ready to take things to the next level. All right, remember at Fitness on a Mission, we support our veterans and first responders. KU, I am here today to bring you your KU Cardio Kickstart program. That's right. This is our second week, and we're going to take things a little bit more to the next level. All right, so remember, we have the workouts for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So it's going to be a little change for you beginners this week, okay? So make sure you check out the workout below. But for this week, we're going to step it up a little bit from 1.5 miles to 1.75 miles. The workout's still going to be the same concept, so follow the program you did last week, but just go ahead and step it up to 1.7 miles this week. For you intermediate, yes, that's right. We're going to step it up today. We are going to do a 30-minute tempo run on a Wednesday instead of our 5x400. So remember what a tempo run is. I'll go ahead and explain it to you more in a couple minutes. All right, so check out your workout below and step up your game this week, intermediate. All right, advanced. Yes, we're going to take it next level, advanced. So remember, your workouts, you got to push yourself hard, okay? But what we're going to do this week is instead of doing our 5x400 meter sprints on Tuesday, we're going to do 8 200-meter sprints. So that means you need to run a little bit faster than you would with the 400, okay? So your workout is below as well. All right, so remember, a run should be at an easy pace where it's conversational. And remember to maintain social distance if you're running with a partner. But it's good to run with a partner so that you can get yourself through it, try to motivate each other along the way, and have a little conversation if you need to. All right, fast runs. Okay, this is where you want to step it up. You want to run hard. You may not want to have a conversation, may not necessarily be the best workout to run with a run partner. But if you have someone, a friend of yours who is the same level, and you guys want to run together to push each other a little bit harder, you're going to go ahead and run as hard as you can in a fast run. Long run. Remember, this run is for time. This run is usually on a Sunday, so we just want to make sure we complete the time. This is a great one to run with a partner and maintain social distance. Okay, we can get out there and bring your water if you want to jog, walk, take a break for a second, bring a nutritional bar or something to consume halfway through. You want to go ahead and take in the beautiful scenery around you and go ahead and make sure that you change the route from time to time so you can check on, all the beautiful things that your area has to offer. Okay, so that's your long run. Interval training. All right, this is where you get faster, KU. You do that interval training, you're going to, if it's a 200-meter or a 400-meter run, you want to run a bit faster than you would normally for your 5K pace. Definitely not going to be conversational, okay? In between those 200 or 400-meter runs, you want to go ahead and walk or jog for another 200 or 400 meters, okay? Tempo run, great run here, okay? You want to make sure you get a good warm-up in, 1 to 2 miles, all right, or somewhere around 5-10 minutes or so. Get a nice, good core warm-up. Then you build up the speed, go faster, somewhere a little bit faster than your normal 5K pace for about another 10 or 15 minutes or so, whatever you're comfortable with, and go ahead and cool down on the other end. When all this coronavirus and social distance is over, KU, let's get out there and knock out a 5K or a 10K so you can test all these great workouts that you've been doing while we've been on the quarantine. Okay, KU, this program is designed just as a guide, and it's not a prescription for you. This can be modified any way to fit your needs and your fitness level. All right, KU, I'm Manny, Mair from One-to-One Fitness, Soldier Rush, Fitness on a Mission, where we support our veterans and troops. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Remember, practice does not make perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect. Practice greatness in all aspects of your life. Hoorah.